The way you talk, the way you behave, the way you dress, everything counts. And the next thing is the trust. Your trust level. How trustworthy are you? How do you develop trust? By continuously telling the truth, by remaining 100% honest with your customers, by always doing the right things. It is a long term process, but it's a lifelong return because it's a permanent reputation that you develop. It's a permanent reputation you develop. If somebody says nasty things about you, it will not make a difference. It will not affect you at all because you have developed trust with your clients, with the people that know you, people that you know. You have developed trust with them because of continuous effort of telling the truth, being 100% honest, and doing the right thing all the time. This is how you develop trust. Don't break trust. It's very easy to break trust, but very difficult to gain it back. It will take years to gain lost reputation back, lost trust back. Probably trust is something that you may never regain. And it is rightly said, I firmly believe in this, that in comparison, when we compare love versus trust, people say love is the biggest relationship. No, that's not true. Trust is the biggest relationship in the world because there are people you love but you cannot trust. Think about it. There are people in your life, you love them a lot but you don't trust them. Do you have those people in your life? I think all of us do. We love certain people but we cannot trust them. But there are some people we trust. We don't love them but we trust them. That's why trust is the biggest relationship. And if a relationship has trust and love both, nothing can be better than that. Those are the relationships you gotta work on, and you gotta become that kind of person who is loved and respected both. So now, integrity. Your integrity matters. Integrity is doing the right thing all the time, being 100% honest, honest with yourself, doing the right thing even when nobody is watching you. If you keep doing that kind of things, if you take these kind of actions, always do the right thing even when nobody is watching you, you develop integrity. And when you develop integrity, you develop a reputation of integrity. People will know you and you develop the credibility. That's how you develop credibility in the marketplace. I'm talking about in the marketplace today, right now, here. That in the marketplace, as a salesperson, as a company, how do you develop trust? How do you develop credibility? By developing integrity. And you develop integrity by telling the truth, by always doing the right thing, by doing the right thing all the time. Whenever you have a task, whenever you are in a situation where you have to do something, ask yourself, is it the right thing to do? Ask yourself, is it the right thing to do? If you are still confused, talk to people you trust and like the most and you respect the most. Ask them, is it the right thing to do? And they will let you know that no, it is not the right thing to do. Many times I am in a dilemma where I have to ask people that, is it the right thing to do? I'm confused about this thing. There are some certain circumstances where you have no clue at all. Sometimes your mind is not working. Sometimes you're confused. So you need to ask trustworthy people, which one is the right thing to do? What should the right thing be? Or what is the right thing to do today in this kind of circumstances?